What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Everlenia.Chenelle here, and today I'm gonna be installing a wig. As you can see, your girl already got like my wig cap on, okay? And honestly, it's not gonna be a new install because I tried to record this video for y'all, but my phone's being a hater, talking about my storage was full, so I had to clear up some storage. Nonetheless, here we are. So this wig is from Nadula Hair, and it is a 13 by 4, 26-inch transparent lace wig, lace front wig. And of course, you know, if you're familiar with wearing wigs, you know it always comes with this little goodie box or goodie bag or whatever. And in this one, we just got some wig caps. It looks like we got some press-on nails. We got a wig band. We got this little brush. And also, it also came with some lashes, y'all. But like I said, I already tried to record this, so that's probably why I don't know what the lashes said. But anyway, it comes with them real long fat lashes that I would never wear, okay? Now for the wig, this is her. And so, like I said, this was my Valentine's Day wig, and today I had straightened it. But for Valentine's Day, I kept it in its natural state, which it was already supposed to be a straight wig, but they sent me like a body wave, so yeah. So anyway, let's get into it, and let's go ahead and start installing it. Okay, so this gonna be a glueless wig today, but we still gonna prep like as if we were putting glue on there. So I got me some, let me make sure it's, okay. I got me some boho, and this is the Lemon Burst Skin Protect. So of course you just spray this on your skin first, or you don't spray it on your skin. I just sprayed it on like a, it's right there, wig a little bit. I just sprayed it on like a cotton ball. And then what you're supposed to do is dab it into, like, you're supposed to dab it. Not rub it or anything like that, like you dab it like that, like y'all see. And of course, like I said, I already flat ironed my wig, so like, you don't need much, okay? This not even gonna be like a real long tutorial because the wig is already pre-done. But you do need a blow dryer. So yeah, you do need a blow dryer. Mine is from Paul Mitchell because I went to Paul Mitchell. So, fun fact. Also, to do my glueless method, I'm gonna be using the boho liquid gold. And you're supposed to work with this in sections, so I'm just gonna start like right here because this is where I'm gonna apply my my wig first, and then I'm gonna do the sides, okay? And my wig, my lace is already pre-cut, and y'all gonna see I still left a little bit of lace only because that's how I like it. And plus my makeup and mask the lace, so yeah. Yeah, and just a few more details about the wig because I really didn't even go too much into it. This hair, first of all, is super long. I feel like it's more than 26 inches because it's super long and I'm tall. So normally like, I don't know, it's probably triple length, but it's definitely giving. It is super soft. I didn't wash it, but I did like wet it up and blow dry it and put a little mousse in it before I flat ironed it, as well as, you know, some heat protectant. And also, what else? Oh, the knots I did not bleach, only because I don't care. Like y'all, certain stuff I don't be caring about because it's a wig. As y'all can see, like your girl got a little mini fro, baby. I don't care nothing about that. I don't care if people know if I got a wig or not. Like, I'm not gonna have it just looking bogus, but I don't care if you know that I have a wig on for the simple fact that Baby, I have not sprouted 26 inches. out my head, okay? So whatever, feel how you feel. Anyway, and you don't need a lot, y'all, so just a little bit, like, you know, just a little bit. Oh, okay, so just a little bit. I'm gonna dab that in with my fingers, like that. Okay. So now for putting on the wig. And I couldn't decide if I wanted to, flat iron it or if I wanted to put some curls in it, but I feel like I've been doing a whole bunch of curls. So I'm kind of sick of curls for the moment, but yeah, it's whatever. Okay, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna make sure it's like straight and not looking crazy. All right. All right, all right, all right, all right. Wee. And y'all think I'm gonna do some baby hairs this time around, because when I did my look for Valentine's Day, I ain't had no baby hairs and I ain't too much care for that. But we gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see how I'm feeling here in just a moment. Okay. And I'm just making sure it is what I want it to be, which it is what I want it to be. And honestly, I'm probably gonna leave it right there, because I'm not even gonna have this wig on for long. I'm gonna take it out. All right, and that's it, y'all. That's that. So y'all see how quick that was? So what I'm gonna do now is actually, I'm just going, cause I don't like the way this looking. I don't know why it's so humpty like that. Like, you feel me? So I'm finna show y'all as soon as my pressing comb heat up. I'm finna show y'all like how I'm gonna get that flat, and yeah, like I got a wax stick. This is the She Is Bomb wax stick, which I don't like this wax stick. Of course, it's the only one I tried, but I like this one. But also, she got some bomb, what you call it? What's that too? I don't know. I kind of like the straight with no baby hairs. We gonna see y'all though. I feel like baby hairs probably gonna set this off, cause it's not really, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know if it's just me. I'm gonna also put a little concealer on my part, cause it's looking real, I don't know. So I had to give me a comment, y'all. I honestly kind of think that I didn't put my wig all the way straight, which is why it's looking like that. It's okay. We're gonna do something about it, because I'm not gonna, I ain't gonna just, like I said, be looking crazy, but yeah. Okay. Well, maybe it's just my hair right there, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like my hair, I feel like it's time to just go ahead and start blow drying out my hair and bring it down. But I feel like if I do that, my little braid is gonna stop like right here, which is fine. But it's just like I'm tender-headed, which is I don't like to do that. I don't like to blow dry my hair and stuff. I really don't. But whatever, we're gonna do it. Okay. Let me see if this is hot. Okay. That is hot. So normally how I do it, I just be taking my wax stick like that, like that, like that, like that. And I'm just finna, like, you know. Like that. Yeah, I feel like it's my hair. Up under here, the reason why. But, ooh. Okay, and honestly too, let's fix this part because it's not straight. Yeah, it's not straight. So, and I feel like this was too cinnamony. Alright, y'all, and like I said, I'm just gonna put a little concealer in the scalp part. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance True Complexion palette and just, yeah, do it that way. What y'all think? Baby hairs, no baby hairs? I feel like, I don't know, y'all. I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna just do some little baby hairs because at this point, I'm feeling very, I don't know. I don't know. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna try not to do no baby hairs, y'all. I'm trying not to do no baby hairs, cause yeah. But I do kind of wanna, like, what's the name? You feel me? Lift it up a little bit though. Like, not the wig, but if you know what I'm saying. Yeah. Which I might do. Like, you feel me? Yeah, because I feel like that'd be cute. That'd be cute to lift it just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, so let me go do my makeup and then I'm gonna come right back. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look with makeup and all. It's giving bad, period. Like, oh. And I still decided against the baby hairs. Like, I'm really trying to not do baby hairs and whatnot. But, yeah, y'all. That's it. This it, and I love it, honestly. I love it. I love it. Yeah. Period. That way. So that's it for the video, y'all. I hope y'all liked it. I know it was short, sweet, and right to the point, but that's just me. So yeah, I will talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.